Good evening, everybody.
Good evening.
Today I am going to give a presentation on the topic sports. So I think everybody knows about sports, right? And first point I am going to talk about cricket. Since most of us know about cricket, I am not going to bore you with all the information which you people know. So I am going to tell one important information about the substitutes. Though there are 5 substitutes in cricket, have you ever come across a situation wherein all the 5 substitutes come to the field?
No.
No. Maximum I have seen is only 2 substitutes at one point of time.
I've seen 3.
3, that's good news. So, when I think about cricket in Deloitte, I remember one good incident. That was happened in February 2007 when Deloitte was playing a match against Genpact. And that was the quarter-final match in the Champions Trophy. And the situation was the last over of the match. Genpact needed 6 runs to win. Usually what happens whenever the last over comes, even a good bowler was hit for many runs actually. So when Genpact needed 6 runs, we all thought they are going to win very easily because they had a couple of state players also. But they got out, the last 2 batsmen were in the crease. And since it is only 6 runs, I thought even an edge can make them win. So at that point of time, our Deloitte captain called Steve, he took the ball and he wanted to bowl that over. So I thought at least 5, not this one, he is called as Steven Samrat. So when he bowled that last over, can you take a guess how many runs he would have given?
0. 2 runs.
I think it's a wild guess. Just be realistic. 2.
He gave 5 runs.
Actually, what they said is correct. It was a maiden over, and because of that one over, he got a special prize in that tournament. Actually, so this is what I wanted to say about cricket.
Then I am
Yes.
correct.
What is the relation? One at a time.
What is the relation you were speaking about substitutes?
And that I will come later. When I finish all the games, I will come later to that.
You were talking about one game, right?
Yeah, one game.
Oh, you were telling about the substitutes and you were narrating the example. I thought
No, I'm going to talk about 3-4 games, and the substitute will be coming there in all the games. And finally, I will ask one question which is related to substitutes. That is why I wanted to highlight something about substitute here.
What is maiden over?
Maiden over is wherein you don't hit even a single run in one full over. That is 6 balls will be bowled per over. If you can't hit even single run also, that is called as maiden over. Okay?
Shankar, I have a question. Can I ask?
Yes.
What's the difference between sports and games?
Sports and games. It's a good question actually. Yesterday when Dheeraj left me at 7:30, I went to the net and I searched for that. What is the difference between games, sports and games? Actually, I could not get any answer from it, but I guess sports is generally individual games. Sports is generally like individual games like athletics, cycle race and those kind of stuff. But games are team games like hockey, cricket, football. Do you have anything to add?
Games can be indoor, sports cannot be indoor. Means games are indoor, games are outdoor
No,
games.
outdoor.
Sports can do always outdoor.
Yeah.
sports are something.
No, sometimes sports also happens in indoor, whereas athletics is called as sports. Sometimes there is a sport game, indoor athletics also. It happens once in a while.
Like they both are very similar words, sports and
Very similar but very minute difference actually.
why it is different? Because we want to categorize about the indoor games, outdoor games. That's why we call the term called game.
No, and one more point, in sports there is no team events.
The sports is a common word for everything.
Yeah.
Games need not be sports also. For example, business games.
That's not a game. That's a game.
Okay.
I
Okay.
understand.
Please, can I ask?
It's not a sport.
That's okay. Do you have any question?
You said sports cannot be team.
Very few. There are some exceptions like cycle race is also called as sports. There is a team event as well as individual.
I
event.
find I have a point to make here.
Yeah.
Chess is a game, it's not a sport.
Yes.
Snakes and ladders is a game, it's not a sport.
Carrom
Cricket is a
game.
sport. Basketball is a
But
sport.
cricket is also a game, right?
It's a game too, I'm not saying that. All I'm saying is, but chess is not a sport.
I think
There's no physical activity involved.
I think individual activities can be categorized as games and
I don't think so.
But that's the current point.
Now that's not.
Correct point, right? I know. Maybe.
Yesterday I didn't do it. So
Good
this is
point.
10 minutes. So next thing I want to talk about football. In football also we have 5 substitutes, but only 3 substitutes can be used in a single match.
What is soccer?
Yeah, that's a good question actually. Soccer is the name given to this game in America, because in the US, football means for them it is a different game, so they call soccer. Whereas other than US, everywhere it is called as football.
What is the difference?
No, same. Only the name in US, football means there is some game which they play with helmet and they run.
Okay.
Like biscuits over here and cookies in
Cookies.
here.
Very good
Example.
explanation. I like that. So in football, excuse me. Okay. In football, if a player comes out as a substitute, and there is a player who goes in as a substitute, and after some time the main player is recovered soon, he cannot go back and play again. The rule is made like that.
Okay.
Okay. And there are only 3 substitutes, though 5 substitutes are available, only 3 substitutes can be used in a match. And this is one more game called volleyball, wherein there are 6 players and 6 substitutes also. And in yesterday's Commonwealth Games, India defeated Australia in the volleyball match, which is very surprising actually. No, because generally Australia is a very good team in cricket and hockey. So
Why
when
they cannot defeat also?
but that's surprising for me also.
If Bangladesh defeats Australia in cricket, it's surprising, right? Like that, this is surprising.
Very good example here actually.
Thanks.
This is one more game called basketball. And same kind of.
There are only 5 players in basketball.
Yes,
No.
5 players and 5 substitutes.
Really?
Yes.
10 players.
Yes.
Yes. Have you ever seen more players playing basketball in international games? Can't be, because maximum number of 5 players.
Maybe you're seeing the players who are sitting.
So,
One question.
yes,
Can we substitute 5 players in basketball at a time? How many players are allowed to substitute?
at a time you can change one person. Every minute you can change one person. I think there is a good question.
5 minutes
coming at
can
the
you
end. Sorry?
5 minutes we get 5
Yes,
minutes.
yes.
right?
Yeah, 5 minutes.
There will be
1 minute left.
again.
Okay.
And what about the use of substitutes in the volleyball game? We have 6 substitutes there.
Can I
6 players.
answer this question last? If you don't mind. And this is an interesting game which is called as golf. Have you ever seen a lady playing golf? A woman playing golf?
Yes.
When?
No.
On the
In the tees.
And it was of late it has started. But this name, golf, has got an acronym. That is, it has got a meaning, abbreviation called Gents Only, Ladies Forbidden. That means when the game was originated in olden days,
Lovely.
ladies were not allowed to play. So that is why it stands Gents Only, Ladies Forbidden. But of late, ladies have started playing volleyball, golf also.
I have an observation here. It's no longer an individual game also. You have teams, you have right up.
Yeah, the rules gets changed very often. So these are the latest developments. And I have a question to all of you. Which is the only game in which all the main players can be replaced with substitutes?
Volleyball.
That's a good answer.
I'll tell you why also. Do you want me to?
Yes.
Volleyball players get injured very frequently. And there was once, which country? I don't remember the name of the country. All 6 players were injured. All 6 substitutes were playing. So that's why.
And there is one more. There is a game in which you can use maximum number of substitution. Like if the game is for 90 minutes, you can make 90 changes.
Football.
Basketball.
Don't make wild guesses. I have covered only 4
It's
games.
basketball.
Yes, she got it right. It is basketball. In basketball, every time when the ball goes out,